Hi there and welcome to Toni's Garage. I am Toni and today we are going to do another big unboxing. If you like racing tracks, if you like transporter vehicles, exotics like Lambo, Ferraris, Porsches, and of course some Germans and of course some American cars, this is the clip for you. So stay tuned. So, this is the box. As you can see, it's quite a big one, but don't worry because it's full of beautiful models and I'm pretty sure that you are going to enjoy this clip. So, since you can see what's inside, it's time to make a wall. Stay tuned. Okay, I made the wall. You can see it's a double wall right here with lots and lots of models. We have some transport vehicles, old ones, not so old, but not new either. We have some premium cars here. We have some racing Porsches, some Dodge, I have a Mustang and a Cadillac here. Also lots and lots of racing cars and very nice exotics. So let's begin. And the first one is a car transporter, quite an old model. As you can see, the box is quite used. This is a Fiat Bartoletti, a car transporter from Fiat, made especially for transporting Ferrari racing cars. And this is not a premium model, so it does not have so many details, but for the price it was quite cheap, around $40 or something like that. This is quite a good amount of money for the details. So let's open it. The box inside is quite old school, but let's see if we can get it out in one piece. Until now it's easy, and it seems like we cannot, because the chassis from the back decided to stay fixed in the box, and I don't understand why, to be honest. But anyhow, let's see if we can fix it, because this is a very nice transport vehicle otherwise. So the mirrors are here, other details are here, and let's see what's the issue. So it seems like you are able to get the back suspensions out and back in. It is not a big issue, only something they made for this model. That being said, I'm a little more relaxed now because the car is not damaged. As you can see, this is a very beautiful Ferrari transporter. You also have some accessories here. You can open this part and put the ramps, so you can get the vehicles out and in. And also you can put two 143 scale Ferraris on top of the truck. As you can see on my clip, because I made some clips with some Ferraris, and this beautiful truck was in it. Perfect. Let's move to the next one now. This is a concept car from the French manufacturer Citroen. It is quite a nice car. It was one of my favorite cars in the Asphalt Airborne game, if you are familiar with that mobile game. Citroen is a very cool brand when it comes to prototypes, but unfortunately it's quite hard to see one of their vehicles, or one of these kind of prototypes vehicles from there, going live into production. That being said, look at it. It is an absolutely fantastic model. I love the color combination, dark gray with pink and with black. Very aggressive Citroen. It's hard to associate this car with the Citroen brand, as they usually are making middle range from the price perspective, family cars. But hey, this is a very cool model made by Norel. Okay, the next one, it's a very beautiful Targa Porsche 911 from 65. Gorgeous little sports car. For some years, I was not a big fan of the Targa model. I preferred to see a Porsche Coupe or cabriolet version. But in the last years, I started to be more and more a fan of this type of design. The green is absolutely fantastic on this car, having in mind that it is a class model, and a class is quite a cheap manufacturer. I'm quite impressed with the details on it, so I have no complaints. You can see great details. The interior is all black, and this can be a minus because on camera you cannot see the details as well, but if you have it in your hand, then you'll be more than pleased with the details on it. Perfect. Let's move to the next one. This is an American beauty. My only model at this time from stamp models. It is a Cadillac Series 67 from 1942. Great colors on this box. The packaging is very nice, and the stand is quite premium, as you'll see in a few moments. And now let's unbox this beauty. Clean black paint, as the Limousine should have. This is leather on the stand, so quite nice details. As you can see, this is a very beautiful car, very detailed one. It is a resin model, sealed, but the details are great. You can see the wood steering wheel inside. I love this kind of tires, black and white. And this is the number 88 from the 199 limited edition series. So quite a nice and rare model. I'm a big fan of this kind of American cars. And speaking of American cars, this is my second favorite Mustang. For a big period of time it was my favorite Mustang, but since I've seen John Wick and that 429 Boss, this 302 Boss went to second place, as I think the 429 is a little more aggressive. But that being said, the 302 Mustang is an absolutely gorgeous vehicle, and in this case Route 66 manufacturer did a fantastic job on this. Great details, you have great interior details, even if the board is and the chairs are black. The red and black combination is perfect for a 302 Boss. I absolutely love this car. Great, let's see what we have next. And we will continue with the American cars. This time we have a Dodge Diplomat. It is in a police package. So this, when I got this model brand new, I had also some accessories. So I had the possibility to add some police equipment on it, like got the front bumper, some lights and so on. But to be honest, I like it as it is right now. Very simple, quite nice details. I like the interior. This is one of those cars I was used to see growing up every time when I saw an American movie that involved some police vehicles. So it brings out great memories. And speaking of police vehicles,